Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to crop a video in Canva? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crop a video in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Then select video. Canva offers several video formats you can choose from. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. Choose a template to continue. You can also open an existing video project. For this tutorial, I'll use a YouTube video template. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to crop. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find a crop. Then tap crop. Adjust the crop area as needed. Drag the handles to resize the crop area. You can also reposition the video to focus on the part you want to keep. Once you are satisfied with the result, tap done. Then tap the check mark icon. The crop will be applied to your video. And that's how to crop a video in Canva on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.